In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect WhatsApp to GoHighLevel. Before we jump in, a quick heads up to make this smooth. Make sure you're logged into the correct GoHighLevel location with admin access, and that you have a WhatsApp business number available on your account. If your WhatsApp is managed through Meta's business platform, keep that login handy so you can authorize the connection when prompted. Start by opening your GoHighLevel dashboard. Look to the lower left corner and click on Settings. This is your control center for everything behind the scenes, and it's where all third-party connections are managed. Once you're in Settings, find and click on Integrations. This page lists all the apps and channels you can connect to your account. At the top of the Integrations page, you'll see a search or filter bar. Click into that field and type WhatsApp. This helps you quickly isolate the WhatsApp option, especially if you have a long list of available integrations. If you don't see WhatsApp right away, double check that you're on the correct subaccount or location and that you have the appropriate permissions. Refreshing the page after switching locations can also help it appear. When WhatsApp shows up in the results, click Connect. GoHighLevel will walk you through on-screen prompts. Typically, you'll be asked to sign in with your Meta business account, select the business you want to link, choose or confirm the phone number to be used for WhatsApp Business, and accept the required permissions. Follow each prompt carefully and avoid sharing any sensitive information outside these official screens. If you're asked to verify your number, keep your device nearby to complete that step promptly. After authorization completes, you should see a confirmation or a connected status next to WhatsApp in your integrations list. If the status doesn't update right away, give it a moment and refresh the page. From here, WhatsApp becomes available inside your GoHighLevel workspace so you can use it in conversations, automate messaging and workflows, and centralize customer communication alongside SMS and email. It's a good practice to send a quick internal test message to confirm everything is flowing as expected. Also, review your messaging templates, time zone settings, and business display name to keep your brand consistent. If you run into an error during the connection, revisit the integrations page, disconnect if a partial connection shows, and reconnect by repeating the same steps. Ensuring you're logged into the correct Meta business account usually resolves most authorization issues. That's it. Your WhatsApp is now connected to GoHighLevel.